everyone! For today's video, I will show you how to create a crop top and a short without using this sewing machine. There may be someone out there who likes to create their own top, shorts, dress, or even pants, but think that they can't do it because they don't have a sewing machine. For me, having no sewing machine is not a hindrance why you can't make your own dress. Because we can always hand stitch our creation. So, for today's video, I will show you how to create this nice crop top and short without using a sewing machine. So for this project, I will be using backstitch. For this project, we need cloth, pins, needle, thread, tailor's chalk, and a pair of scissors. The first thing that we will do is draft the bodice for our crop top. And then after drafting the pattern, we will cut the fabric. Now, by the way, I forgot the name of the cloth, but one is the kind of cloth that does not fray or dili siya mga tasta sa kilid. The reason why I'm using this kind of cloth is I don't want to do any hemming. So when I cut the cloth, I only give 1/4 inch allowance on the side and the shoulder area of the crop top. Here's the back and the front bodies of our crop top. Next, we'll move on to the bottom, the shorts. Again, we will follow the same process. We will draft the shorts first using my old short pants. And then after that, cut the fabric. The kind of short pants that I want for this project is garterized. So I added 2 inches on the top edge, that is for the waistband, and another 2 inches on the folded part of the fabric, and that is for the extra width of the short pants. Now we've come to the second part of our video, and that is the hand stitching. I will start working on the bodies. I will join the front and back bodies of the top using backstitch. Then I will do the same with the shoulder area. accidentally deleted some video, but don't worry, I will still be able to show which part is it and tell how I did that part. This is the part of the video I have accidentally deleted, but don't worry, later you will know how I did this because there are still parts of the top where I will be making this pattern. Here, I'm showing you the joint side of the bodies and how strong the back stitching is. On the bottom edge of the top, I will make the same pattern that is on the front neckline. And we're done with our crop top. Next, we'll work on the shorts. First, let's join the sides pointed by the arrow using backstitch. Next, backstitch that part. Join the corresponding sides of the front and back shorts. And we're done with the shorts.